Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. One of my lovely subscribers suggested that I make a video on my aloe vera, bringrage, hibiscus and fenugreek pre-poo. So without delay, here it is. In order to prepare your aloe leaf for cutting, you must first give it a good wash, then safely cut off the sharp, prickly ends. Aloe vera repairs dead skin cells on your scalp. It leaves your hair shiny and smooth. It promotes hair growth. It prevents itching on the scalp. It reduces dandruff, and it also conditions your hair. So right now I am cutting the aloe vera leaf in half, and I am using a spoon to gently scoop out the aloe vera gel into my blending cup. Now I am placing my blending cup onto my blender to give it a quick mix. And guys, please do not forget this step. You have to strain your aloe vera so that you don't end up with white residue in your hair for weeks. This recipe calls for 2 cups of extracted aloe vera gel, but we are first going to use 1 cup, and we are going to place that into a glass container. First, to my mixture, I am going to be adding a 1/4 cup of fenugreek seeds. Fenugreek seeds have been used in the treatment of scalp issues like dryness of hair, baldness, and hair thinning. Next, I am going to be using a 1/4 cup of organic hibiscus flowers. Hibiscus flowers is rich in vitamin C and amino acid. The flowers improve the blood circulation under the scalp, and it stimulates hair growth. Now we are all done. We are going to add our 1 more cup of aloe vera gel to this mixture and set aside for 24 hours. 24 hours later, our fenugreek seeds are twice the size and our aloe vera gel has turned color. I am also going to be adding a 1/4 cup of aloe vera chunks that I had been infusing in olive and avocado oil earlier in the week. Now we are going to strain the juice from our mixture, and we are going to pour our fenugreek seeds and our hibiscus flowers into our blending cup. And of course, you know we waste nothing. So we are going to use this very moisturizing aloe vera, fenugreek, and hibiscus spritz on our hair and scalp during the week. This hair spritz is good for up to 5 days and it stays in my refrigerator. Now this part is very important. You must add hot distilled water to your mixture before blending to get the consistency that you are looking for. And here you will see me add just a little bit more water to my mixture to get an even smoother consistency. And this is the consistency that I am looking for. Now is the time to get your stocking cap or your cheesecloth ready, because we are going to strain this mixture. This is what you don't want in your hair. So guys, we are all done. This is the consistency we are aiming for. It is a gel-like consistency. It is not liquidy or runny, which I love, and it makes it so much easier for me to sleep with on the nights that I do pre-poo my hair. Now you can add anything that you like to this mixture. The opportunities are endless. I added 6 vitamin E capsules to this mixture. I also added a 1/4 teaspoon of Bringraj powder, and I also added 1/4 teaspoon of MSM Pure Coarse Flakes powder to the mix. There you have it. I hope you like this video. Please like, comment and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.